Okay, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to learn Arabic through Arabic dialogue. This dialogue is in Arabia Baina Yadaik, Book 1. This is a great book to learn Arabic. There are so many topics in this book. This is section 11. The topic is about An-Nas wal Amakin. This topic is about people and places. This is dialogue 3, the third dialogue, Al-Hiwar Thalith, between Ahmad and Badru. Okay, I read first the dialogue and then after that I will provide the translation and also some grammar explanation. Okay, let's begin. Ahmad, Aina taskunul an ya Badru? Askunu fil qaryah. لماذا تركت المدينة؟ القرية هادئة والهواء نقي. Or you can read with the complete sound. القرية هادئة والهواء نقي. Okay, next. ولكن في المدينة جامعات ومستشفيات وشركات وأسواق، وفي المدينة أيضا ضوضاء وتلوث وازدحام. أحمد، لماذا تسكن في القرية وأنت تعمل في المدينة؟ ليس هناك مشكلة. أحمد، كيف تذهب إلى المدينة؟ أذهب بالقطار. كم تستغرق الرحلة إلى المدينة؟ تستغرق ساعة ونصف ساعة تقريبا. Okay, now the translation. أين, where, تسكن, you live. أين, where. In Arabic there is no auxiliary verb, so but I add do here. Where do. Taskunu, ta means you, that's the subject. Taskunu, you live. Al-an, now. Ya Badru, Badru. Aina taskunul an ya Badru? Where do you live now, Badru? Askunu fil qaryah. Askunu is simple present or present tense. A is the subject. I. Askunu, I live. Fi in al-qaryati, village. Fi is harfu jar, so that's why the last harkat, the sound ending is T. Fil qaryati. But we don't need to pronounce, just say fil qaryah. لماذا تركت المدينة? لماذا, why? تركت, this is past tense form. تركت, you left. Ta is the subject. Ta at the end. Tarakta, you left. If I say taraktu, I left. Tarakta, you left. Taraktu, I left. Okay. لماذا تركت? Why did you leave? But in the translation there I use leave because in English interrogative sentence use verb 1. لماذا تركت المدينة? Why did you leave city? Al-Madinah. Okay, let's use Fatha Al-Madinata, but we don't need to pronounce. That's Al-Madinata, not Al-Madinati, because that is object or maf'ul bih in Arabic. So the last sound must be Fatha Al-Madinata. Okay, but in speaking we don't need to pronounce. لماذا تركت المدينة? Okay. Okay, next. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Al-qaryah hadi'ah wal hawa naqi. Or complete sound. Al-qaryatu hadi'atun wal hawa'u naqiyun. Okay, village is quiet and the air is fresh. Al-qaryah and hadi'ah. This is al-hadiah is the adjective, so the gender must be the same. Al-Qarya is feminine noun, so the adjective hadiah must be feminine. Al-Hawa, this one is masculine, so the adjective nakir is also masculine. Okay, Al-Qarya hadiah wal hawa nakir. The village is quiet and the air is fresh. ولكن في المدينة جامعات. ولكن but في in المدينة in city جامعات universities ومستشفيات hospitals وشركات companies وأسواق markets ya many plural. ولكن but wa we don't need to translate wa there because that is waw hal. Just say but fil madinah in city. Actually in English we say there are, but in Arabic it's enough to say fil madinah, in Madinah university. There are universities, there are hospitals, there are companies and markets. That's the translation. Okay. وفي المدينة أيضا ضوضاء وتلوث وازدحام. وفي in city وفي المدينة in city أيضا also ضوضاء. ضوضاء is noise, but here I translate into noisy, but because it means noisy. Okay. وتلوث pollution, وازدحام traffic jam. Okay, it means in city there is noise, there is so much noise or noisy, pollution and traffic jam. لماذا تسكن في القرية؟ لماذا why تسكن you live. Ta is the subject, you تسكن you live. This is simple present. لماذا تسكن why do you live في القرية in village. وأنت wa is not and, the meaning here is while. This is waw hal. وأنت while you تعمل you work. Okay, there are two subjects in Arabic. Anta is you, ta is also you. تعمل you work. وأنت تعمل while you work في المدينة in city. ليس هناك مشكلة. ليس is no or not. هناك there. هنا is here. هناك there. ليس هناك. Yeah, it means there is no. مشكلة is problem. Yeah, it means no problem. It doesn't matter. I have another video in this channel about Laisa, the conjugation of Laisa. Okay, because Laisa here mean he was not. Okay, you can check the video in this channel. كيف تذهب إلى المدينة؟ كيف how تذهب you go. Ta is the subject. تذهب you go. إلى المدينة to the city. كيف تذهب إلى المدينة? How do you go to the city? أذهب بالقطار. I go by train. This is simple present. كم تستغرق الرحلة إلى المدينة؟ كم تستغرق. This is an expression to ask how long does it take. كم تستغرق الرحلة? How long does the trip take? إلى المدينة to the city. Okay. تستغرق ساعة ونصف الساعة تقريبا. تستغرق ساعة ونصف. It takes 1.5 الساعة hour. It takes 1.5 hour. تقريبا approximately. or about 1.5 hour. تستغرق ساعة ونصف ساعة تقريبا. And why ساعة not ساعة or ساعة? Because ساعة ونصف here is object مفعول به, so the ending must be fathah. ساعة ونصف. What about الساعة? Why not الساعة? Because this is مضاف إليه. So it means like this. الساعة ونصف ساعة 1.5 hour. It's like saying the door of house in English. This is possession in English, and in Arabic the formula is called idafa, mudaf and mudaf ilah. The mudaf ilah must be kasrah. Okay, I think that's all about this dialogue. So you know how to read this dialogue and also the translation of this dialogue and also some grammar explanation. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends. See you, ma salama.